Okay, so I'm trying to classify, are these exponential functions, right? And so I need to remember what an exponential function is. So an exponential function is something like, I'm going to call this capital E of x, right? Is what, story?
A b to the x.
A times b to the x. Okay? So for each of these, I'm supposed to classify, are they exponential or not, and then get A and B.
Yeah.
So is f here exponential?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes? Okay. What's A?
3.
3. What's B?
E.
No.
1. Not. Oh, because you gotta get rid of E, so you apply.
No. I don't have to get rid of E, but I have to have B to the x, right? And here I have E to the minus x.
Also 1 over.
Good, perfect. So B is 1 over E.
That's weird.
So why is that? That's because this is 3 e to the minus 1 to the x,
Yep.
right? It depends on which way you're going, right? This is exponential decay, right? And so the growth rate, right? Would be, right? Or the multiplicative factor should be smaller than 1. Okay, how about G here? I've got 60 over 5 times 2 to the x over 11.
Well, you can try. I don't think it is.
It looks like it initially, but
A would be 60.
That's 5 times 2 to the.
So that, yeah.
Okay.
That's, so in order of operations, right?
Yeah.
The exponent takes precedence.
Yep.
Okay, so let me just say I've got 60 over 5 times 2 to the minus x over 11, right? You guys all with me here?
1 over.
How about A out of that? I think I can get A.
60 over 5.
60 over 5 is 12. And then B, I'm looking at this 2 to the minus x over 11 and thinking, that's like 2 to the minus 1 over 11 to the x. Right? You guys with me on that one? Yeah, so this is 1 over the 11th root of 2.
What to the x?
So I think the answer is yes. Right, so A is 12 and B is 1 over the 11th root of 2.
if you got yes in A, how many points out of 5 would you got?
I think I was doing 1 point for guessing yes or no, and then 2 points each for A and B.
1 point for guessing. Yeah.
Really, because the intuition is something here. Like you guys all said, F is exponential. Like, yeah, check, done, right? So intuition is something. You should get a point for intuition. Let's see. How about h of x is e to the 17x plus 1?
That one doesn't go anywhere.
Yeah. No, this is, the plus 1 is annoying, right?
Yeah.
So this is a exponential function shifted vertically. Cool. Okay, how about r of x, which is 2 to the x plus 3 to the x?
Well, no.
Yeah, good. Order of operations is kind of in the way. I could maybe try to group this together with some kind of exponent rule or something, but it ain't going to work. Yeah, there's no log to play with, right? So, this guy, slap a log on there.
No. Log face.
Yeah, so you could try to slap a log on here. It still won't work because the plus is in the way.
So you're going to have the same problem before.
Yeah, so I really have the same problem I had up there. So no, this isn't one exponential, it's what?
2.
Yeah, it's the sum of 2 exponentials.
So the question should kind of be rewrited. Is this a exponential function?
Yeah, like a single.
Yeah, so if you read the directions, it says, are these exponential functions? If so, give the values of a and b. If not, say why. So
Well, if it's a sum of two exponential functions, isn't it?
Yeah, so keep in mind, right, that for function categories, if you add them together, you may lose the category.
Okay.
Right, so although the sum of two lines is still a line,
Yeah.
if you add two exponential functions, you're no longer necessarily exponential. You guys cool with that?
That's why when you shifted it, it makes it that.
Yeah, so this is an exponential plus a line, right? Sometimes, like with parabolas, if you take a parabola and add a line, you'll still get a parabola. That's more miraculous than it is common. Cool.